Pooja's tip.
Our today's topic is greetings.
So let's start with our today's class. Greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night. So when to use good morning?
5 a.m. to
12 p.m.
5 a.m. to
12 p.m. you can wish good morning. When to use good afternoon? From 12 p.m. in the afternoon, from 12 p.m. in the afternoon till 6 p.m. in the evening, you can use good afternoon. When to use good evening? From 6 p.m. till midnight, anytime you can use good evening. From 6 p.m. in the evening till midnight, you can use good evening anytime. When to use good night? So when you are saying bye or goodbye to a friend at night, you can say good night. Good night. Greetings. There are two types of greetings. Formal greeting and informal greeting. I'm going to give you now some more examples of greetings, conversations, formal and informal. I'm going to give you the example of formal greeting. Let's see. How are you? B. Fine, thank you. And you? Or, how are you? Just great. Or, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Or, how are you? Not bad. So you can respond to how are you in so many ways. Now I'm going to give you informal greeting example. With your friends, you can use this kind of conversation. How's it going? Answer, good. How is it going with you? This is very casual conversation. What's up? Not much. I hope today's class is useful for you to learn basic English. I'm going to give you one assignment now which will help you to practice what we have learned today at home. So let's see what is that assignment. Greetings. Mention the time. Good morning from dash to dash. Good afternoon from dash to dash. Good evening from dash to dash. Greetings. How are you? Answer dash. Second answer dash. Third answer dash. Fourth answer dash. How is it going? Answer dash. What's up? Answer dash. I hope you like my today's class and it is useful for you to learn your basic English. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe for more and more videos. Click on the bell icon for notification and don't forget to give me thumbs up which will motivate me to make more videos like this for you. See you in the next class.